ydy'r iaith Gymraeg? What is the Welsh language? Well, mae'n iaith Gelteg. It's a Celtic language, most closely related to Breton and Cornish, and more distantly related to Irish and Scottish Gaelic and Manx. We don't know exactly how long people have been speaking it, but we think it's at least 1400 years, possibly much longer, but there would be medieval and Old Welsh that would be harder to understand today. Hyd heddiw, faint o bobl sy'n ei siarad e? Today, how many people speak it? Well, the estimates are around 700 to 800,000 people, but the Welsh Government is aiming to have 1 million speakers by 2030, was it? Need to check that. Beth bynnag, nes I ddyfu yn siarad Cymraeg. I grew up learning Welsh. My schooling was entirely in Welsh until I was 16. Nes I symud yn ôl I Gymru. I moved back to Wales 3.5 years ago. Guess why?